This is the Mercedes-Benz M264 engine. It's manufactured in your own factory with original parts. The Mercedes M264 engine with a volume of 1.5 and 2.0 liters has been assembled at factory in Germany since 2018. And is shown on many models of the longitudinal engine such as the C-Class or E-Class. This is a unit with passenger seats, and its transverse version has the M260 index. Power output for this engine is 156 to 299 horsepower, torque output 250 to 400 Nm. Cylinder block aluminum R4, blockhead aluminum 16V. Compression ratio 10.5 with IHIAR006 86. Turbo and fuel type is petrol. The engine was installed on Mercedes C-Class, CLS Class, E-Class and GLC Class.